Hey everyone, I'm Stephanie Brinkerhoff with Hair and Makeup by Steph, and I'm here with Kenra Professional to walk you guys through a simple, low, sleek ponytail. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing that I want to do is make sure her hair is nice and smooth and straight. So I'm going to go in with some of the Kenra smoothing spray. And this is a good thermal protectant. This is also going to add some shine to the hair. And then I'm just gonna go through and flat iron this. Okay, I'm making sure to get all the way up at the root to get this nice and smooth at the top as well. Okay, once this is nice and smooth, I'm gonna go in and create a really clean center part. Okay, so now I want the hair on the exterior to be even a little bit smoother. So I'm going in with the Platinum Working Wax on my fingers and just applying this to the exterior. This is gonna help with the flyaways on the top as well. And then I'm just gonna start smoothing the sides back with this product still on my hands. Maybe I'll look this way. Okay, so I have a decent amount of product in there, and I'm just gathering this in the center back, and I'm going to get this nice and smooth. Okay, and you can position the ponytail as high or as low as you want. I'm gonna do hers a little bit lower, kind of just right below the occipital. And I'll go ahead and get that in an elastic. Okay, and then before I move on, I'm just gonna take my tail comb and smooth out this outer layer. So I'm just putting the end of the comb underneath the top layer and smoothing out those bumps. Okay, and then I'm also going to go in with a hook elastic. This is going to give it a little bit more security. So I'm just going to hook the end of this into my elastic and then wrap that around pretty tight. And then it's just going to hook in to the elastic again. And then I'm gonna go in with the Volume Spray 25 and just smooth any flyaways. Okay, and if you have any shorter pieces that aren't reaching or stubborn flyaways, you can go ahead and secure those with bobby pins. Okay, then I'm gonna go ahead and hide these elastics. So I'm going to get a small piece And I want to make this nice and smooth, so I'm going to add some of the platinum working wax to this piece as well. Okay, just working that through the ends. Okay, then I'm going to wrap this piece around the elastics, but also around this hairpin. Okay, so the ends are sticking out. Okay, so it looks like this. You have both ends sticking out on either side. So I'm going to use another hairpin to pull these ends through the first hairpin, okay? So I've essentially put the hair through this, and then I'm going to maneuver this through the first hairpin. Okay, so just right like that. Okay, and then I'll pull these ends through that hairpin. Just like that, okay? And now I can pull my first hairpin through, and this is going to pull the ends through as well to tuck those in place, okay? So this is nice and secure now. Okay, and then this end I'll just wrap around one more time and get that bobby pinned in place. So now this is nice and secure because it's knotted into itself. Okay, and then to finish, I'm just going to do some detailing and make sure everything looks good.